Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn. This is a quick one. I saw this on TikTok, so let's give it a try. Now I have some broccoli over here. Turn you over there. A little broccoli over there. And what I'm to do is to say you don't have to cook the broccoli. Take some boiling water. Take this broccoli and put it in there for 10 minutes. And it should be tender. Okay, I'm not a fan of broccoli. I'm not a fan of a lot of vegetables. I have to say, the more I eat them, the more I find out I don't really like certain ones. But we have our water boiling and it's ready. So you're to take this water. You gotta look down just a little bit. There you go. And fill it up. Let's see how that's going to work. Now, I hope you got enough light. 10 minutes later, we're going to let it sit in there for 10 minutes like that. I don't remember how they held it up. Hold on, let me just grab something. Oh no, it's staying up. There we go. Can you see that? So 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, timer is going off. I don't know if you can see it. Our 10 minutes is up. Let's see how this works. I got my meal ready over there. I got some soy strips and salad, and the other half of the baked potato or sweet potato. So here we go. Let's see how tender this is. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's take this out the water. I'll put it over here. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, got a little simple knife. I've already prayed over this and that. Okay, pretty easy. That's a lot for me. You can see that it's done right there. If I can find a TikTok person, I will definitely let you know. So, let's give this one. I want to give a big one a chance. Oh no, let's see. Okay. Hands are clean. The stem is crunchy. Got butter here. What is missing is some I could have just put it in the microwave. Hold on, let me put this in the microwave. I'm back. So I'm going to transfer this over onto this plate here. Now that was 10 minutes. I think maybe but then you know things when they cool off is a little bit different. So let's put this little warm butter on here. Not too much. Not too much. I think that's enough. We're going to put a little bit of pepper. Because it didn't have any taste. It was really bland. So that might have turned me off. I'm like, I don't know. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day or having a wonderful day. And I hope you enjoy the little videos that I'm bringing. A little bit more right now. I hope you don't mind. Okay, let's see how this, maybe I should get a fork to show you how tender this is. This one. That's not that tender. Well, that's a lot. Let's see. Okay. Okay. For me, maybe it's crunchy, but not too crunchy. Maybe 3 or 5 more minutes. That would have worked perfect for me. But what I'm going to do, because you guys know this is just for me, I have the same salad, but I don't have any pears. Oh man, I gotta get some more of those. I have a sweet potato and the soy skins. So, a little bit on there. Put some in my potato when I was cooking it. A little bit in there. And I like with my potato, just a little bit of, always have a hard time pouring this, a little bit of vanilla. Just a drop of vanilla. Oh shoot, see, that's why I put it in the cup. Tap the top, sorry. Come on, words, work with me. And just a tiny, little bit of sugar. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this short one. Come back again, do the best you can. Try to eat as good as you can, as often as you can. And just eat. We need to eat. Good food. Don't have to be organic, but good food. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.